He was removed from school by his stepmother, Madam Seraphina. She made him work every day, cooking, cleaning, fetching water, and selling sachet water while other children were in school.
All rise! Justice is in the building. The mighty judge of fairness is here. Let's clap, but softly. Well, one and only George Lillian, no nonsense King.
Thank you, Chingo. Let's keep the energy, but also the order. Let's hear our case for today.
Yes, no. Today's case is KLC number 058. The people versus Madam Seraphina, accused of child abuse and not sending a child to school.
First time for now, go ahead.
Thank you, my lord. We bring this case because a child, Emeka, has been badly treated. He was removed from school by his stepmother, Madam Seraphina. She made him work every day, cooking, cleaning, fetching water, and selling sachet water while other children were in school. This breaks Section 28 of the Child's Right Act. No child should be used for forced or harmful labor. And Section 15, which says every child has the right to free and compulsory education.
Now calling Emeka to the stand.
Emeka, do you know why you're here today?
I just want to go to school and the other kids.
Please tell the court what your legal said.
I wake up at 4 every morning. I fetch water, wash plates, sweep, cook, and then go out to sell water on the road. I sell from morning to night. When I come back, I cook again and wash clean clothes. This is my daily routine that ends with me sleeping in the kitchen. My stepmom says I must work for my food.
Where is your family?
I traveled last year and haven't come back. My stepmom said I'm not her child, so I'm not her problem.
My lord, Madam Seraphina is under a lot of stress. Her husband doesn't send her enough money. She cares for other children. Yes, she made mistakes, but she wasn't trying to hurt Emeka. She just didn't know better.
Madam Seraphina, why didn't you send Emeka to school?
I have my own children to feed. Emeka eats and does nothing. I'm only trying to help him to learn how to walk before he eats. I can't kill myself.
My lord, we asked the court to give Madam Seraphina parenting lessons and monitor Emeka's care. Let us do this the right way. Section 15 of the Child's Right Act states that every child must go to school. And Section 11 of the Child's Right Act also states that no child should suffer abuse, whether in words or in actions. What you did was wrong. This court finds Madam Seraphina guilty of stopping Emeka from going to school, which violates Section 15, causing emotional and physical harm, going against Section 11, making him do hard labor, therefore disregarding Section 28. You are hereby fined 50,000 naira or sentenced to 6 months in prison. Order to register Emeka in school within 7 days. Placed under child welfare supervision for 6 months. To attend weekly parenting classes for 8 weeks. Let this be a lesson to everyone here. Children are not workers or burden. They are precious and full of dreams. They have the right to learn, rest, and grow with love.
If you cannot raise a child with love and care, you should not raise a child at all.
Justice is served with love, law, and learning.
He woke at 4, not for school, but for water, firewood, and cruel labor. No pencil, no play, no time to dream. Just sweat, scolding, and silent screams. Emeka soaked scented water under sun, while classroom echoed with children's phone. A child turned servants, sleeping in kitchens, stripped of care, robbed of ambitions. But justice rose like morning lights. Judge Lillian spoke, set wrongs right. Now he's learning, finally free, because the law saw what it could be. Protect childhood, defend dreams. Visit kid law courts where the law speaks for kids.